Welcome. Ever wondered what makes Canada truly magical in the winter? It's more than just snow. It's a feeling that wraps around you like a warm scarf. Imagine crisp, clean air filling your lungs as you witness landscapes transformed into breathtaking winter wonder. Think of the quiet beauty of snow-dusted forests, the sparkle of sunlight on frozen lakes, and the cozy glow of homes against the twilight sky. Winter in Canada offers a unique chance to reconnect with nature and yourself. It's a time for invigorating outdoor adventures, from gliding across ice rinks to exploring snowshoe trails. But it's also about embracing the warmth indoors, sharing stories by the fire, and savoring delicious, comforting food. This season invites us to slow down, appreciate the simple joys, and find beauty in the stillness. We hope this glimpse into Canada's winter charm inspires you. Thank you for watching.